I just want to give some brief introduction, and I suppose the starting point is to thank all of you here in the event industry for giving, I think, the first and probably the most significant lift to the nation's understanding of sustainability. And as David reflected, I think internationally the UK is ahead of the game. And I think it's fantastic that the event industry, and hopefully through this standard, we can actually spread the understanding of what sustainability really means, because it touches all aspects of our lives. So a big thank you there. I think the event approach has been the right one to make a push, but in relation to that, we're also working internationally around the whole question of standards and sustainability, corporate social responsibility, carbon offsetting, carbon management. But for us, I think here in the UK, the international machine does move quite slowly. And there's a huge amount of benefit to be taken from the knowledge that we've got at the moment. And I think the quote from Seb Coe, finding best in ourselves, is exactly what we're trying to do through these standards. It was very important to us that we had a wide representation and a wide stakeholder consultation. The whole purpose of a standard like this is that we encourage consensus, we pull in the best ideas, we pull in practical solutions. Early on, the panel decided that it was so important to get something which was of practical use, be it a supplier, an event, or a venue, that we should encourage trials. And the response to that, as we'll hear later today, has been absolutely fantastic. It's been exciting for us as a team to be able to work with so many organisations who are so enthusiastic about a standard. That isn't always the case. And I think, as you'll discover later, there's been a lot of lessons learned. And it's the best way to create something which is very usable in the future. And then, very importantly, the vast number of suppliers in any event, the complexity of that. And it's been great to see the two organisations, 17 with their very clever logo, and Reed's Carpets involved in helping us develop a good, workable, practical standard. But we do need to address sustainability from the start, which was the purpose of 8,900 last year. So it's a management system, a list of requirements to integrate sustainably the processes that you use to deliver a particular product or service.